Get ready. All attendees of the King's Table Bible Study, all who have ever visited the King's Table Bible Study, and special friends. You already know where we meet, so just remember this very special date, Saturday, December 28th at 1 p.m. A live praise and worship team led by none other than the one and only John Choate of Baytown, accompanied by the powerful duo Sherry and Lee Turner. Special guest speaker, Pastor Reginald Pope, the Carpenter's House Church in Lamar, Texas, such a powerful, on-point, and anointed minister of the gospel. Followed by the Louisiana Tornado himself, Evangelist Larry Rowan, known as the Tornado because he tears down the strongholds.
Why you know that? I got saved.
All right. Amen.
Go back and look at your Bible. They is in Christ is a new creature.
This event is our annual 2019 T. The acronym for the word T is the Eagles Assembly. We're calling all Eagles together at this very special event. Bring your favorite teacup or mug for the teacup contest and prizes. Bring a dish because Eagles love to eat. Finger foods are requested but not mandatory, whatever you decide to bring. Send me your RSVP through Messenger or call me at 281-422-6587 and leave your response. Looking forward to you on that date.
Get on board, this train is heavy.